Okay, let's make some yummy peanut butter bars. This is a recipe that I found in one of my old cookbooks. I'm still on the search for those cafeteria peanut butter bars that they used to make at my grammar school. Now, I have seen the one on Pinterest. It is not what my cafeteria ladies made, but to date, this is the closest I've found to that recipe so far, and these were so good, y'all. You'll start by using 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/3 cup of granulated sugar. Go ahead and blend the dry ingredients together. Add 1 cup of packed brown sugar. Now let's blend this together. Add 2 eggs. Add just a drop or 2 of vanilla extract. I don't measure, y'all, but I think the recipe said 1 teaspoon. Now for the main yummy ingredient. We are going to add a cup of peanut butter. And I'm just guessing I'm utilizing this peanut butter that I had in my cabinet. My husband said these were so addictive that I couldn't make them very often, and he's right, y'all. These were addictive. Now we're going to add some oil, and I like to use olive oil in my recipes. And yes, in your baked goods, you can use olive oil for baking. It turns out the most moist brownies you've ever eaten, and you can't taste the olives in it. And also, it's a healthier choice. But if you want to use some other type of oil, you go right ahead. You will need 3/4 cup of oil. Make sure to mix this really well. It's going to be thick, but we are going to add one more ingredient. The recipe calls for 1/4 cup of water. So go ahead and add that water and continue to mix this really well. Once you've got this thoroughly mixed, we are going to add this to a 9 by 13 baking dish. And I did oil my baking dish as well with the olive oil. Now we are just going to press this into the pan, and I did put some oil on my hands. Now I didn't like finger marks all in it, so I just grabbed a cup and rolled it across it just to give it a smoother look. Now we are just going to put this in the oven and bake it on 350 degrees for about 20 to 30 minutes. I think it took me about 25 minutes, and voila. You guys, these were so good. They were so yummy.